Kia ora, I'm Sharon Holt from Pronunciation Signposts in Te Reo Māori and also the author and publisher of Reo Singalong books. We had a special request from somebody who loves our Facebook page about how to pronounce these two place names. So, the things to remember with pronunciation of any words in Te Reo Māori are the vowels are the most important thing. A, e, I, o, u, if there are no macrons, and a, e, I, o, u, if there are macrons over them. Apart from that, as long as you make a break at every vowel, like that, and like that, and I'll make a special comment about this in a minute, and this is an English word, so then we're going to go like that, and like that. Okay, so we're making a break after every vowel, then you can't really go wrong, just break it up and it's easy. So this is fa, because this is WH, f, commonly pronounced in New Zealand, f, fa, ngā, so those rhyme, whanga, whanga, which means harbour, whangarei, and this could be e, but it turns into the sound a, rei, rhymes with k, there, pai, k, right, anything with ei will always rhyme with k. So this is rei. And remember the r if you can. Whangarei, 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 whangarei. Because there are no macrons on the a's, then the pronunciation sort of emphasis goes on this one, which is the diphthong. Whangarei, whangarei. Okay, so that's that one. And for this one, the very top of New Zealand, a little bit trickier. I think when we were growing up, we probably called it Cape Rēinga, but that can't be right because this is not pronounced Rēinga. It's a bit tricky, but if you keep to the rules, it won't be tricky at all. So Cape, and this has got a macron over the E according to my pronunciation books. So this is Rē, 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 and this is Rēinga, Rēinga. So I'm going Rēinga, Rēinga. You could say Cape Rēinga, Cape Rēinga, but it kind of comes out as Rēinga, Rēinga. Try and get this E in here, Rēinga, Rēinga. And it's a bit different to this sound, not so much of an A, because this has got the macron over it, which makes it a little bit like that. So it's a bit different to that. Rēinga, Cape Rēinga. I think that's as best as I could do. Good luck with that. And if you have any other comments and want any more information about pronouncing our place names in New Zealand, Aotearoa, please let me know. Ka kite.